welcome back to Circle Time. This week we are going to be talking about Earth Day and recycling. But before we do that, let's start off with our singing and our counting and our weather. So let's sing together. Sing with me. Hello, 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 and how are you? I'm fine, and I hope that you are too. Is everybody good? Can you give me a thumbs up if you're feeling fine? Okay, let's do our weather. Hold on, let me grab our weather chart. Here we go. And I don't know if you guys can see outside today. Let's see. Do you see any rain? I don't really see any rain. Do you see any sunshine? I don't see any sun. Do you see any snow? Nope, no snow today. So I think it's pretty much just a kind of a cloudy day outside. So let's put our little clip on cloudy. There we go, good job. Okay, I'm gonna put this down and then let's just do our bubble gum together. And you start tapping on your knees and then maybe we'll do a tap, clap, tap, clap. Here we go. Bubble gum in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? Okay, ready? Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Great counting. Look, Mia is sitting here with us today. She decided to join us today, so we'll see how long she sits here. Okay, guys, I'm holding up a book right here. Can you tell me what this is a picture of? Does anybody know? That's right. This is our beautiful Earth. From looking at it from up in space, this is our beautiful Earth, and you can see the green here, that's the land, and you can see all the blue are the beautiful oceans, and then also some of the clouds. So that is our beautiful Earth, and let's read our book right now called The Earth Book by Todd Parr. Okay, are you ready? Let's start the story together. Here we go. Oh, look, there's the beautiful Earth with the land and the oceans and a heart. I can take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees and I want the owls to have a place to live. Look, there's the mommy and daddy and baby owl. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow, and I want there to be enough food for everyone. Look at all the vegetables growing in the ground. I remember to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. The end. Let me just read this to you here. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Okay, so let me show you, this is a little poster from the book that I just read you. It's called 10 Ways I Can Help the Earth. So let's just read through them together real fast. Number 1 is turn off the lights when you leave the room. Number 2, recycle, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Number 3, save my leftovers. Number 4, be nice to the worms. Number 5, share a book, and we'll talk about that in a minute too when we're talking about recycling. Number 6, plant a tree. We'll talk about that on in the next circle time on Thursday. Number 7, use both sides of the paper. We'll talk about that too in a minute. Number 8, save water. Number 9, clean up your trash. And number 10, put my underwear in the freezer when it's hot. What? That's silly. Okay guys, so you can see on my table here, I have a bunch of things that kind of look like garbage. So we're going to talk about which things go into the recycling bin, which things go into the garbage, and which things that maybe you can donate so somebody can reuse them again. So first of all, I want to see if you know what this is. Can anybody tell me what this symbol is? That's right, this is the recycling symbol. And you will see this on a lot of your food packages, but we'll talk about that in a little bit. So that's a recycling symbol that you will see on your food packages. So let's take a look at some of the stuff I have here. Okay, so this first thing, it's a box of cereal and it's made out of paper. Do you think that goes in the garbage or do you think it goes in the recycling bin? Well, let's look on here. I think I can find, I see it right on the bottom. Can you see that symbol? It's the same symbol. That's the recycling symbol. So this can go in the recycling can. So I'm going to put it over here in my recycling can. This is going to go out into my garage when it's all full. Okay, good job. Let's look at some other things on here. Oh, look, a can of sparkling spring water. It's aluminum. Do you think this can go in the recycling bin or should it go in the garbage? You're right, this goes in the recycling bin. This can be recycled and made into something new for us to use later. So I'm going to put that in my recycling bin. There it is. Okay, let's look at something else here. This is a jar of spices and it's glass. Do you think this can go in the recycling bin? It can. Good job. Glass can be recycled. So I'm going to put it in there. Okay, let's see. Something else. What do I have here? A banana. Now it hasn't been eaten yet, but when I'm done eating it, should I put the banana peel in the recycling bin or should I put it in the garbage? You're right, it should go in the garbage. Or if you have a compost bin, you could put it in that. But when I'm done with this, I'm going to put it in my garbage because this cannot be recycled. Okay, let's see, something else here. Okay, here we go. Can anybody see what this is? This is a dirty paper towel. I was using it to clean something. So do you think this goes in the recycling bin or do you think it goes in the garbage? Yep, this can't go in the recycling bin. This has to go in the garbage. Paper towel, especially something dirty, can't go in the recycling bin. I'm going to put that in the garbage. Okay, let's see what else I have. All right. Oh, do you guys remember this book? Do you remember this book that we read in our Zoom class meeting last week or 2 weeks ago? So this is paper and this can be recycled, but should I put it in my recycling bin? I'm done with it. I'm not going to probably read it anymore, but should I throw it away? No, you're right. I should share this with somebody else. I shouldn't put it in my recycling bin. I shouldn't throw it in my garbage can. I'm going to donate it to somebody else to use so we can reuse it. That's another part of recycling, is reusing something so somebody else can enjoy it. So I'm going to save that. Okay, now I have another thing to show you. Can you guys tell me what this is? Yep, it's a wire hanger. Should that go in my recycling bin? Nope, this can't go in there, and it can't go in it shouldn't go in your garbage. You can take this back with Mom and Dad to the cleaners, and they will recycle them for you. They will take them, they'll reuse them at the cleaners. So I'm gonna put that over here. Let's see, something else. Oh, can you tell what this is? Plastic bag, yeah. Should that go in my recycling can? No, plastic bags can't go in there. You can actually take these back to a lot of different stores and they will send them to get recycled. So, but they can't go in our recycling bin at home here. So you would take these back to like a Target or a Heinen's, and they have a place where they will take them and then send them off to be recycled for us. And then another thing you can do, and when you go to the store, instead of putting your groceries or your items using a plastic bag there, bring your own bag to reuse. Bring one of these and then you can use it every time and use less plastic bags. Let's see, one other thing I want to show you. Can you tell what this is? That's right, a bottle of ketchup, and it's plastic. So do you think it could go in the recycling bin? It can, but look what's in there. Some ketchup is still in there, just a little bit. So before you put this into your recycling bag or garbage, clean it out. Clean it all out, rinse it out, and then you can put it in your recycling bin. All right, good job. Let's see. So I want to show you one more thing. Do you guys remember when you came to school every day, you brought a water bottle with your water in it? That was really helpful to take care of our earth, because what we used to do at school was we would give everybody at every snack time a drink in a little cup. So because you guys were bringing your water bottles, we didn't have to use all these little cups. So we saved the earth, or helped the earth, by not using a lot of plastic. So you guys did that too. So thank you so much for helping the earth by bringing your water bottles to school. Okay, so when we have our Zoom classroom meeting on Friday, it's Tuesday today, but on Friday for our meeting, I would like you guys to bring one thing to the meeting that you can share with everybody that is something that can go in your recycling bin. Like, here is my thing of milk, and if you look on the back, you'll see this symbol. Let me see if I can find it. Sometimes you have to turn it around and look, but here it is right here. So this is showing me that it's recyclable. Can you bring to our circle time one thing that you find that you can put in your recycling bin and share with us? Okay, so that's your little homework for Friday. Okay, all right. Okay, so I want to show you a fun idea for an art project to make our beautiful earth. So this is using a coffee filter, and this one I did with watercolor. There are a few different ways you can do this. You can use watercolors. You could try it with food coloring, if you have food coloring at home. This one up here is with food coloring. This one is with watercolors. This one is with, if you have paint, you could kind of maybe water the paint down a teeny bit and use it on the coffee filter. And this is with watercolor again. So let's see how you do this. Here's some watercolors. And you just need your paintbrush with your water, and you need your coffee filter, and put it down on something. I didn't have any newspaper, but I just have this on a paper plate, and you can just get some green for the land and just kind of paint wherever you want. And then if you are done with the green, make sure to dip your brush, clean your brush off before you go to the blue, and get some blue. Get a lot of color, and just kind of paint the oceans wherever you want the oceans. And then if you want to do some more of the land, clean your brush and go back and get some more green. And just keep going until you fill the whole coffee filter. And then at the end, you'll have this beautiful earth. And they look really pretty if you hang them up in your window. So you can make a bunch of them and hang them up in your window to celebrate our beautiful earth. I would love to see these. If you guys make some, will you put them on Facebook so I can see them? I would love to see them. And if you don't have a coffee filter, you can do something a little different. You can use a paper plate, and if you have some tissue paper, what you do, and if you have some glue, put some glue in a cup with a little bit of water, and you can paint the tissue paper on the paper, and you can make another beautiful earth that way. Or you can use watercolor on a paper plate. There's so many different ways you can do this. So whatever you have at home would work and will turn out beautifully. So I would love to see any and all of your art projects, okay? Okay guys, it was so much fun having circle time with you today. I will see you Thursday for our next one. So goodbye Rose, goodbye Mason, goodbye Luke. I'm glad you came today. Goodbye Haley, goodbye Nora, goodbye George. I'm glad you came today. Goodbye Owen, goodbye Sebastian, goodbye Jack. I'm glad you came today. Goodbye Harper, goodbye Lila, goodbye Elizabeth. I'm glad you came today. Goodbye Noel, goodbye Isabel, goodbye Ashlyn. I'm glad you came today. Okay guys, I will see you Thursday for our next circle time. Goodbye.